And let us go with the problem number 5. Okay, so if x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 5, then x is equal to what? We need to find out. They given, so x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 5 they have given, so we need to find the value of x. So now take a LCM here, so that is 2 into 3, that is co-prime numbers, 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. Now 6 divided by 2, that is 3x, minus 3 divided by 6 divided by 3, that is 2x is equal to 5. Now simplify it, 3x minus 2x is equal to x by 6 is equal to 5, or x is equal to, transfer 6 to that side, that is going to be 5 into 6, which is nothing but 30. So x is equal to 30. Option D is the right one.